Okay, now we have a different tactic. Alright, ready? Set, go. Oh, it's working! Okay, hold it there. See if I can get onto. Okay. Yeah, give me a lot of slack. Okay. Then. Not that high up, but. You know. Maybe that wasn't so safe there. No, I don't think I should do that. Alright, what to do now? What to do now? Should I go higher up? Or should I just stop? Well, I don't know where to throw it up. I could throw it up on there, but that's not gonna do me anything. I think this is good. You wanna try this?